Hey parents, we wanted to provide you with a little video about how to navigate our kindergarten home learning website. We want you to know that we're still here with you every step along the way, and we do not want you to get overwhelmed. If you click the link that we provided in Class Dojo, it will bring you directly to our home learning website. This is the home screen, and it just tells you general information that I'm about to tell you right now about the different tabs that we have. Clicking on the Contact tab will bring you to all of our contact information. Office hours where you can ask us questions, it gives you our email, and it tells you what you already know. The best way to reach us is through Class Dojo. When you click on the More tab, it's going to bring down a drop-down menu. I'm going to go through each of these tabs individually. As you see, the Skills tab brings up a bunch of different boxes. You are able to click on these boxes and it will take you to the items that we're asking you to complete with your child. This is the workbook, and if you scroll down, you'll be able to see right here what activity pages are being asked to be completed. You can print these off at home and do them whenever they're assigned. I'm going to click off of this and go back. It's the same thing with the skills readers. You can click those and it'll take you directly to the book, and you'll scroll down to find the pages of the books that you're supposed to read. Tricky Word List is going to bring up a document, excuse me, of a Word document of all the tricky words. We suggest making flashcards for those. Here is our Math tab. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a bunch of different tabs on this as well. When you click on these blue tabs, it'll take you to the actual lesson that'll help you explain to your child how to do the math. If the purple tabs take you to a video that the students can work along with as a teacher is teaching. And the green tabs take you to the printable problem sets for extra practice for the kids. On the knowledge, comprehension of stories, it's going to be basically the same thing as what I'm doing right now, except I'm going to be clicking through a PowerPoint to read the stories, and I'll tell you to pause things every once in a while to ask and answer questions, and there'll be activities as well. Additional materials, you will find all of the children's name tracers here. We suggest that you write your first and last name every day. Whenever they're done tracing the page, flip it over and have them write it on the back by themselves. That's very important, so they're not thinking that they're just going to trace their names over and over for the rest of their lives. Zurn Mission 4, if you click on this, it'll bring up review of the past missions that we've done. This is just for extra help. The extra math printables is the same thing. It will bring up extra math stuff for the kids. We may decide to add additional stuff here, and we will let you know as we do. Free online resources is just what that says. If you click any of these boxes, it'll bring you directly to those websites. There are so many sites offering free subscriptions due to many schools being canceled. If there's something that you have found that you want to do on your own, by all means, please do it. We've just provided these here for you right now. As always, if you have any questions, please contact us. We do not want you to think you're alone in this adventure. This is just a little bit about our website and how to use it. There will be more videos in the future, so please do your best and just try to have fun with your kids and enjoy the time with them. We miss them so much and can't wait to see them again. Thanks. Bye.